The Indus River system comprises Indus River and its five main tributaries, which are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, and Satluj. The Indus River originates from a glacier near Bokharchu in Tibetan region, which is in Kailash mountain range near Rakshasthal. In Tibet, it is known as Singhi Khamban. It flows west and northwestwards and enters Indian territory in Ladakh. The Indus flows in India only through Ladakh. It flows through eye-shaped deep gorges in Indian territory, mostly through trans-Himalayan ranges. The Indus receives a large number of Himalayan tributaries, both on its right and left bank. Now, first we will cover right bank tributaries of Indus. Shyok River. It originates from the Rimo Glacier on the tongues of Siachen Glacier. Shyok River marks the southern fringe to the Karakoram ranges by forming a V-shaped bend around it. Nubra River. It originates from the Nubra Glacier. It falls into Shyok River before joining Indus. Shigar River. It rises from the Hispar Glacier, joins Indus at Skardu. It is joined by Braldu River before joining Indus. Gilgit River. It originates from a glacier near the extreme northwestern boundaries of the Himalayas. It flows through Gilgit-Baltistan region of Ladakh. It has Yasin, Karambar, Huns, and Khunjerab River as its left bank tributaries. Now come to the left bank tributaries of Indus. Janskar River. It originates from the snows of north-facing slopes of Greater Himalayas. It joins Indus at Nimmu. Shingo River. It rises from Greater Himalayas in the form of Suru and Dras rivers, which joins to form Shingo near Kargil before flowing into Indus. Astor River. It rises from the glaciers on the east of Nanga Parbat in the form of Rupal and Astor, which then joins to form Astor River, which flows northward into Indus. Dyamir River. It originates from Dyamir Glacier on Nanga Parbat to flow northwestward into Indus. Jhelum River. It rises from a spring at Verinag or Sheshnag Lake, situated in the southeastern part of the valley of Kashmir. It flows northwards from its source to Wular Lake and further down southwestwards until it enters a gorge cut by this river in the Pirpanjal range. It turns to the northwest below Uri and to the south below Muzaffarabad and continues until Mangla is reached, from where it plunges into plains. It is joined by Bringnala and Lidar River at Anantnag, Sindh River near Srinagar, and Neelam River at Titwal. It joins Chenab in Pakistan, which joins Ravi near Multan and Satluj near Alipur. Kishan Ganga River. The Kishan Ganga originates at Dras in the Kargil district of Ladakh. It is famous for ice cold water and trout fish. Chenab River. The Chenab of Jammu and Kashmir is known as Chandrabhaga in Himachal Pradesh because it is formed by two streams, the Chandra and the Bhaga, which joins at Gushal near Kilong. Chandra emerges from Chandratal, while Bhaga emerges from Barlachala. Chandrabhaga flows northwestwards and runs parallel to the Pirpanjal range for some distance near Kishtwar. It cuts a deep gorge in the Pirpanjal range and turns southwards and flows in this direction for a short distance. Further down, it turns to the west and enters the plain area near Akhnur. It is joined by river Tavi, Jhelum, Ravi and Satluj before joining Indus. Ravi River. The source of this river lies near the Rohtang Pass in Kullu Hills of the Himachal Pradesh. It flows to the northwest from its place of origin and drains the area lying between the southeastern part of Pirpanjal range and the Dhauladhar range. For some distance, it flows through Chamba Valley and turns to the southwest to cut a gorge in Dhalodhar range and enters the Punjab plain near Madhopur. It joined the Chenab near Multan in Pakistan. Beas River. It originates from a place known as Beas Kund near Rohtang Pass at an elevation of 4,000 meter. In its early stage, it runs from north to south past Manali and Kullu, where its valley is popularly known as the Kullu Valley. It crosses the Dhalodhar range, turns to the west and enters the Punjab plain near Talwara. After entering the Punjab plain, it turns to the southwest and joins the Satluj near Harike after flowing for a distance of about 470 km. It is joined by Parbati River near Gurdaspur. Satluj River. It originates from Rakshas Lake, which is situated at an altitude of 4,555 meter in Tibet. This lake is connected with Mansarovar Lake by a stream. It flows northwestwards and enters Himachal Pradesh at Shipkila Pass. It cuts deep gorges where it pierces the Himalayan range. It is joined by right bank tributary Spiti River at Khab and left bank tributary Baspa River at Karcham and Beas at Harike. It joins Chenab near Alipur.